You want a little growth hack for your direct mail campaigns and how you can use QR codes to identify every single person that scans that QR code? Well, I was at the CMO Summit today here in Chicago. I was talking with somebody about a way to be able to do this. Whenever you create direct mail, you know who the direct mail is going to. So if you put a QR code on there and then you add your UTMs to that QR code, well, who actually did that campaign? When they click on the scan the link, they go back to the website, but they just have UTMs. It doesn't actually identify who they are. But if you integrate with UTM.io and you build into the API, or you use the bulk builder and you add a parameter to have a individual unique ID per person, since that piece of direct mail is going to Tim and we have that direct mail for Tim, as long as you get your promo code, or excuse me, as long as you get your QR codes individually assigned to each one of those cards for that individual person, you can actually make it so that anytime they scan, they auto-identify themselves when they come back to your website. So a great way to close the loop from direct mail to those users then being identified for who they are on your website and then adding to all your analytics. Now you don't have any problems with attribution. Now you have those users identified based upon that scan. You might have some breakage. You might have somebody who is the mailman, scans it right and does something like that. But either way, you're going to have that no matter what's going to happen in the internet anyway. So either way, thought it would be a good growth tip and a good growth hack for you to be able to use in your direct mail campaign and using some QR codes and some user identification added to the link. Just go check out utm.io. You can strap it into their API and get it done today.